I cannot forget this moment. I remember sitting at my first Success Academy in Atlanta, Georgia, watching and listening to our CEO, Gill Park's lecture, Balanced Life and Life Scenario. His lecture struck me as a lightning. I had tears on my eyes. I laughed like never before as I realized how misbalanced my life wheel was. Chairman Park changed my life perspective from that moment on. I found hope in Atomy, a tool that gave me some financial freedom already, a tool that makes my dreams come true one at a time. Most of all, I treasure a Christian environment, Christ-like humble leaders, and true principles of our company. And let me share some of my dreams with you. I am a big apple and a small town girl at the same time. I enjoy a city adventure, but I also love getting away and being able to recharge in a quiet hiding place by the water. So therefore, I would love to have a beach house and an apartment in New York City. I also plan to travel a lot doing my Atomy business and just for leisure. Tesla Model X was my longtime dream. Estimated cost is about $100,000. Way before Atomy, I remember walking into a mall and seeing a beautiful white car with back doors lifted up into the sky on the display. To me, it looks like a beautiful swan with the wings. It's going to be very handy and bio-friendly car. Tesla Model X is my choice, and I plan to buy it when I achieve Star Master in 2024. The fourth area of our balanced life is the environment, our contributions. Nothing makes us happier than serving with passion and fire. If we do not learn how to give, our lives will be meaningless. Currently, I spend $300 per month on Atomy products that go to people in need. With my passive income from Atomy, I am able to contribute to local church and support several missions already. I have 2 projects in my plans, and if God is willing, I would love to accomplish them, perhaps even with some help from my amazing Atomians. I love serving and helping others. It truly makes me happy. By opening a wellness and spa complex, this will give me an opportunity to share Atomy with so many more people and bring healing and beauty into their lives. Preventative and therapeutic measures, improving health first, individuals' health and beauty consultations, facials, massages, nails, hair, full complex by November 2028 when I become a Crown Master. In order to turn my beautiful dreams into reality, I will need to earn an income of at least a Crown Master. This means I must strive to reach my destination with perseverance. My goal is to meet you all at the top and become an Imperial Master by 2030. May God help us all to make this world a little better place. Atomy is an amazing tool for success and freedom. Atomy raises humble, strong, and compassionate leaders. Many thanks and blessings to our founder, Gill Park. Sharing dreams is an amazing opportunity. Cherish the spirit, create the vision, follow the faith, and serve in humility. I am proud to be an Atomian. Aja, aja, aja.